Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on my channel. Guys, today I will be once again talking about a very specific altcoin, and hopefully you guys like this kind of content. And before we're going into the video, make sure to right away smash up that like button and make sure to hit that bell notification as well on the channel, because yes guys, we are pushing the content never before. So it would be very amazing if you're right now smashing up that like button, and let me go right away into the video. So guys, today I will be once again talking about a specific altcoin, because you guys really seem to love these kinds of videos. So today I will be talking about once again a pretty underlying and a very exciting project, and this one is Senso. So maybe you already heard about it, because yes guys, we were getting a lot of requests in the comment section about this specific altcoin. And I mean, this coin is still sitting on the 24 million market cap, and the reason why you guys were requesting this coin here is very exciting, because yes, I mean, this is a thing that I just can't ignore, and that is also the reason why I'm currently making a video about this one. Guys, this is the coin with the biggest token burn in crypto history. Approximately 70% of all the minted supply was getting burned. So of course, before they had 5.9 billion, the minted supply right now is 1.7 billion. So that is absolutely insane, and of course that is also the reason why I will be making this video, and you can see it over here as well here guys. It is absolutely insane, and of course I think this is a very exciting reason why I do want to be making the video about it, because yes, since seeing the announcement of the token burn also coming out here, you can see we surged even higher as well in the price chart. And of course currently, if you also look to the price chart currently of Senso, it does look very exciting, and we can be seeing a move to the ups getting created. And of course, since that announcement, we approximately surged 200%. And of course, they were telling us as well, this is the first token burn, but definitely not the last one. And besides that, guys, currently what we can see over here, we are having very beautiful market structure in the price section of Senso right now. You can see bull flag also getting created over here. We can be seeing a potential breakout to the upside as well getting created. So that is of course very exciting. But just let me talk a little bit more about this project, guys, because this is of course a very exciting project, because that's the reason why I talk about it is as well, because the fundamentals are very exciting. Of course, what it is basically is, guys, they are trying to combine the virtual reality world, the entertainment world all together, and they're trying to build virtual concerts. And they also partnered up with David Guetta. They made this, they scanned his whole body in here, and they're going to put him in the virtual world. So that's of course very exciting. And if you want to be reading some more about it, you can definitely check their site as well here. I mean, their site, you can be finding it if you go into CoinMarketCap and you go to over here, and I can also put it in the description, so you can probably also find it in the description as well here. But definitely very exciting, and of course just very good to see here. So what are they saying on their side? Of course, we can be reading some things about it here. You can see here as well over here the video about David Guetta behind the scenes, how he got into the project. Because yes, David Guetta is also a very big name who's also involved in the project, so that's of course very exciting. So basically, Senso is an NFT project, and it's very exciting because they have an NFT marketplace, they have NFT minting. Like I told you before, they're trying to combine the virtual reality space here with as well the entertainment space. That's the reason why they're also partnering up with David Guetta. They're trying to build concerts here in virtual reality, so that's of course very exciting. And especially right now with the current pandemic, where we can't go to real festivals, we can be maybe going to virtual reality festivals. So this is of course very exciting. And besides that, guys, you can be also see what are the use cases of Senso. You can see first of all NFT minting, so you can be using the Senso coins to mint NFTs. Of course, that's very exciting. And you can see over here, Senso is used to pay for minting NFTs and listing them on the marketplace, because yes, they also have an NFT marketplace. And what I read is here as well, guys, is what is very exciting. They're trying to get some other projects outside of their ecosystem into it, so that's of course very cool. But you can see over here, every participant of the Sensorium Galaxy can use Senso to buy non-fungible tokens, so NFTs. So that's of course very exciting, because in the virtual reality space you can be also having some NFTs, of course, and you can be buying them with Senso. So yes, guys, yesterday was me making also a different video about the NFT gem, because yes, I think the NFT sector is still very undervalued. It's still very small, so I should be saying to you guys, yes, it still has a lot of potential to grow, and that is also the reason why I'm making a video once again about NFT possibility for a gem here. So also what you can see over here, game mechanics, they're also working on a game here. And of course, we will be going into their roadmap as well in a second, where you can see that they're still working on everything here. Let's say in May they're probably going to launch their mobile app demo version. So there's a lot of things still to come here for Senso. And so what is also very important to know, guys, here is that Senso is currently getting built on the ERC20 blockchain, of course, the blockchain of Ethereum. And of course, we know all the gas fees of Ethereum are absolutely high here. And like you know here, this is an NFT project, and they are using their coin to buy certain assets here, to buy certain NFTs. I mean, and because you want to be buying these NFTs, these transactions are probably going to be very minor, and you have to be paying these big amounts of transaction fees, and that's of course not doable with the current situation of where Ethereum is standing in, of course, because the transactions fees are so high, and that is also the reason, guys, why we are currently seeing the Binance Smart Chain absolutely exploding. And of course, we also know that Polkadot, the Polkadot ecosystem, is also a very exciting project where you can be also making cheaper transactions. So the strategy of Senso is that they're going to migrate the blockchain towards the Polkadot ecosystem. Of course, that's still a future plan, but this is definitely a very exciting thing here. And of course, this new network development with the substrate will be a next generation blockchain technology framework. So this is of course very exciting. And of course, it will be really reducing the fees here, and that's of course the end. That's the reason why they're doing it, and they will be connecting with the Polkadot ecosystem. And guys, I've been talking about previously as well, like coins like Polkastarter, etc. Coins that are built on the Polkadot ecosystem are already coins that I like here, and that is also the reason, of course, why you should be saying yes. This is of course making me feel very exciting. This is making me feel very happy, and of course making me feel very bullish about the coin as well here. And that is definitely a good thing here, that they're also trying to solve these issues, like these issues of very expensive transactions, and they're trying to reduce it. So that's of course very exciting that they're focusing on that as well, because yes, they're trying to sell they're trying to do minor transactions for these NFTs, and if the NFT transaction is, let's say, very expensive, it is not very attractive. So that is the reason why you're trying to fix the issue there. So I mean, once again, you can see it over here. 10 billion worth of Senso officially got burned here. That was, of course, an announcement that we were already talking about in the beginning of the stream. But yes, guys, this is the most important part as well about this token, why I do feel very excited about it. I mean, you can see what kind of influence it has with BNB once they're burning tokens, guys. Of course, once they're burning tokens, and this one is totally not anticipated, because the 4.2 billion tokens that they burned, it was completely not expected by the holders, because they thought, because these coins were still were public still coins, and they not got minted. So that was of course came like a big surprise for all the holders. And because of course that news came out here, you can see the price surge approximately just in a very rapid pace to the upside. Of course, token burns are making people always very exciting, and I mean, this was of course very cool to see here. And so for the people that are not really familiar with token burns, maybe you're wondering how can they be burning tokens. It's basically what you can see over here for those who are not familiar with the produce. Burning tokens is basically how they are doing it is sending the tokens to an address that is of course not accessible. That is of course very exciting, of course, because they will be never touching it anytime anymore. So you can see over here as well here. By the time of the burning, Senso stood at a rate of $2.30 per unit. Based on that number, the token burn was estimated around the $10 billion. And I mean, $10 billion token burn for this coin is of course absolutely insane here. And this is, you can see it as well here, diluted market capitalization on 15 billion. So there's also the reason why it is so high here, because they burned a lot of tokens. So I mean, definitely a coin what is already making me feel very excited here. I mean, I just truly like token burns. Of course, it is not everything about the token, because yes, you want to be looking at the fundamentals as well here. But yeah, I mean, I also like Crypto.com and BNB, because they're of course trying to do monthly token burns as well, and that is of course also the reason why I do right away feel very excited about it. So also a little bit about the tokenomics here, guys. As you can see over here, currently 32% of the recalculation is going to NFT ticket sales here for minting, etc. here. Approximately 23% is going to research and development. 13.5% is going to attracting new artists and partners, just like David Guetta. Very exciting, of course. 12% to marketing. 12% to your loyalty program, like referral and bounties. So that's of course also a thing that you can still do here. Besides that, you also have 7% for human talent motivation packages. So that's of course also very exciting. And you have also their light paper. If you still want to be reading it, you can be going to the site and read what they are doing, of course, exactly all over here. Because yes, guys, I always say to you guys as well here, make sure to just do your own research as well. Don't believe on me here. Make sure to do your own research because yes, I mean, I personally really like it, and that is of course also the reason why I'm making it. And if you also go to their roadmap, you can see they also have a lot of plans that they're still willing to do here, and of course that is making me feel very exciting. And you can see over here, if I go back about the things they already did here, you can see you can see over here they partnered up here with David Guetta shows at SG, of course Senso, Carl Gux, Armin van Buren, Dimitri Vegas. I mean, there are a lot of big artists that they are trying to work together with. And of course, that's very exciting. And of course, they're like you can see the current things that they're working on here is the mobile app demo. So that is a thing that will be released this month here. So that's of course very exciting. Besides that, you can see this month as well here they want to be doing a test with the virtual DJ concert. So that will be also very amazing. Besides that, in June they're going to launch the beta version of the Sensorium Galaxy, and of course that's very exciting because in the Galaxy basically everything comes together. You can be utilizing your NFTs, etc. So that's of course very cool. And in July, of course, we're going to see the early access, of course, and that's of course a thing that would be very amazing to see playing out over here. And besides that, guys, they are also working together with the company Epic Games, one of the world's leading game developers, and they're trying to help them develop the virtual reality space here in the Sensorium Galaxy. So that's of course very exciting. And yeah, of course, they are having all these exciting partners. And if you want to be reading more about it, you can definitely go to the site as well here. And they also told me they're working on more and more partners. So yes, of course, they are right now working already with Epic Games, and I think that's a very good partner to have on your site. There will be only more and more coming. And I mean, for Epic Games also, guys, to step into a cryptocurrency to help them develop certain things here, this will be very beneficial because maybe they can be implementing it as well in their games or so. You never know. There's a lot of speculation. But of course, guys, once you're buying into these low market capitalization coins, you are always speculating. So let's see what it will be doing here. But in general, this is very exciting, of course, to see here as well. So Sensorium, this is also a thing what David Guetta was saying here, is taking the entertainment industry to a next level here, of course, virtual reality. So these are all things that these big players and these big entertainment guys are saying as well about the coin. So of course, that's very exciting. And if you want to be reading it, make sure to do it to do so. And I mean, you can see here leveraging today's top technologies here. They're trying to combine, of course, the virtual reality, the blockchain technology, the AI as well together. And I mean, it will be, of course, a very exciting project. And you can see as well here who are currently working on the project. You see a lot of big names here with a lot of experience, Jan Pisman. So, of course, that's very cool. Very beautiful to see as well here. You can see a big team is working on it. And of course, guys, like I told you before, once a lot of developers and a lot of people are putting a lot of effort in a certain project, it usually tends to succeed. So let's see how this will be doing. But of course, this is a pretty big team for such a coin. So I mean, I truly look forward towards it, and I should definitely also recommend here, guys, to maybe go to this site and just watch the video about David Guetta. And I don't know exactly where it is. I think if you go to just the project, maybe it's somewhere else. I don't know, partnerships, I think. You can be probably finding the video about David Guetta as well here. And I mean, otherwise, if I can't find it right now, I should definitely look at their site here. And I think you can be finding it anywhere. I don't know where exactly, but you will be finding it. But I will be putting a link in the description as well here. But this is a video about David Guetta where they are trying to fix everything to put him in the virtual space here. And of course, it's pretty exciting. Of course, David Guetta, they scanned his whole body, all his moves. So yeah, David Guetta will be also in the virtual reality space here. So it's definitely making me feel very exciting. And guys, besides that, of course, if you just purely look to the chart as well here, and of course, in the end of the day, I look to buying opportunities, and I'm here to make some good gains here. And yes, I'm not necessarily thinking it's the best asset if you look to the to the current structure of the market, because yes, you're creating a huge bearish divergence currently on the daily, but yeah, you're forming right now an what it is, and bullish and bull flag over here. So this can be of course very exciting, because this can be pushing up the price pretty fast to the upside. And of course, keeping in the back of my mind that they are doing token burns. Yeah, I mean, this they also told me this is the first token burn, but definitely also not the last. So I mean, let's see what they will be doing here. Hopefully they can be burning even more tokens in the future. This will be of course very exciting, and an 86% increasement to the upside will be of course very beautiful for this bull flag to play out here. But yeah, in order to see this bull flag getting played out here, guys, you do want to be seeing this top side getting broken here. So let's see once we are going to see this top side getting broken. If you want to be searching it up here, it is just Senso USDT. For the people that are wondering, you can be buying it on KuCoin, you can be buying it on Polynex and on HitBTC. So of course, very exciting where you can all buy it, of course. But guys, thank you for watching to this amazing video here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you're going to see me back here later today in another video, because yes, guys, in a few minutes, in a few hours, I will be uploading another video about the price action, about I don't know for sure what yet. But definitely I will be uploading another video, so make sure, guys, to keep your eyes set on the channel, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will be seeing you guys back later in a new video on my channel. Goodbye.